We are pleased to show you the 2025 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, hill descent control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, body color door handles, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.